What is up, guys? Gaming with D, and we're back again with another video. Okay, so I know I haven't been uploading in a minute, but it's time to take this YouTube stuff serious and let's grow our YouTube channel together, guys. Share this video, do whatever you gotta do to get this video out there, but let's get it, man. I haven't played this in a minute, so I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't uploaded in a long time. I'm finna start uploading daily. Back uploading daily. I don't know why I stopped. This how y'all do that. Watch me. He got me. Okay. I love camping in our spot, but we gotta go get our spot back, y'all. Boy, you better lay down. I love doing this. And I'm in first place. You think that the sweet watch this? He finna run this way over. We gotta keep these clips loaded. Look. That's one thing I like. I'm cold. Oh, he came from behind. He might take that camping spot. But let's change up these guns, man. We gotta get these guns back where he got it, man. And let's use the new gun. Ammo kit. Alright, yeah, it sounds like he's cracking whippers. What's supposed to be? Am I still in first? These people need trash. My brother's dishing. Ooh. Ooh, he peeled my body back. That's why I like running around here with that shotty, though. This man just killed me with an RPG, bro. That's the thing. I gotta get a different gun. Let's just get this shotty back. Let's get the bomb, cause I like throwing bombs. You feel me? Like, yeah, I'm in second place. Look how I'm missing. Let's throw a bomb over there. I'm gonna be in the cut. Show y'all that's how y'all do that. And I killed him. Let's go. Yeah. Told y'all I'm cold at this game. But it looks like I'm gonna get second place, which just don't matter as long as I'm at the best 5, top 3. Let's throw that bomb up there. We gotta play these, you know, cause at the end everybody just. Man, that's gay. He did not die. Wow. I hope this match can end and it not. Let's go. Throw a bomb over there. Throw a bomb over there. Let's get it, man. Hey, let's get it, man. Second place. Can I get like 5 likes for this video? And I'm out. See y'all guys next time on episode 14, baby. Episode 14. And our channel is growing slowly, like every day. It's like every day, like somebody subscribe to me, but you already know. Let me show y'all this cash real quick, though. Hard work pays off, y'all feel me? But alright, subscribe if you new, leave me a like, and